Hello, Trashidale to everyone. Welcome back, learning basic Tibetan grammar. Today I'm going to talk on Yang Shi. Yang Shi mean is four vowels. Yang meaning is vowels. For Shi is four. So what are the four vowels? Here, first one. So this one is called ki gu. So you can see that. And I just write down the sound. Usually I don't write because this, the four vowel, we need to remember each time when we read one by one. That's why I just put ki gu. Ki gu. So this one is go on the top. And then next one is, this one is called shap Q. Sharp Q. So this one is go bottom or underneath. Next one is called ding po, or you can call ding po or ding bu. Same. So you have to remember this is go on the top. And the last one is this one called naro. This one also go on the top. So now you can see this is how it's kigu, and this is the shakyu, and this is dengbo, and this is naro. Now these four vowels are we need to put with 30 consonants, and it make different sounds and also already make meaning too. Then we're going to learn it. Okay, let's show you the 30 consonant. Okay, so here you can see all the four vowel with each of 30 consonant. So you can see this is kigu on the top, and this is shapkyu is the bottom or underneath, and this is on the top, and this is on the top. So you can see every consonant has this four vowel. You can see here, and we'll move the next one. So this is how we have to read every single one by one. That is how we can be able to make the sound correctly. Okay, and also it has already meaning, so that we're going to learn the meaning. So that is how exciting it is. So now we're going to read every 30 consonant with the four vowel. Okay, let's start. Ka kigu ki, ka shapkyu ku, ka dingbo ke, ka naru ko. So you see, now you have to remember. You have to remember this is kigu, this is shapkyu, this is dengbo, this is naro. So that way easy for you to work with every 30 consonants, right? So that's why is I just put previously the sounds kigu, shapkyu, dengbo, naro. Okay, start the next one. Ka kigu ki, ka shapkyu ku, ka dingbo ke, ka naru ko. Ga kigu gi, ga shapkyu gu, ga dingbo ge, ga naru go. Nga kigu ngi, nga shapkyu ngu, nga dingbo nye, nga naru ngo. Cha kigu chi, cha shapkyu chu, Cha ringbo che. Cha naru jo. Cha gigu chi. Cha shapgyu chu. Cha ringbo che. Cha naru cho. Ja gigu ji. Ja shapgyu ju. Ja ringbo che. Ja naru jo. Nya gigu ni. Nya shapgyu nyu. Nya ringbo nye. Nya naru nyo. Ta gigu ti. Ta shapgyu tu. Ta ringbo te. Ta naru to. Ta gigu ti. Ta shapgyu tu. Ta ringbo te. Ta naru to. Ta gigu ti. Ta shapgyu tu. Ta ringbo te. Ta naru to. Na gigu ni. Na shapgyu nu. Na ringbo ne. Na naru no. Pa gigu pi. Pa shapgyu pu. Pa ringbo pe. Pa naru po. Pa gigu pi. Pa shapgyu pu. Pa ringbo pe. Pa naru po. Pa gigu pi. Pa shapgyu pu. Pa ringbo pe. Pa naru po. Ma gigu mi. Ma shapgyu mu. Ma ringbo me. Ma naru mo. Za gigu zi. Za shapgyu zu. Za ringbo ze. Za naru zo. Ca gigu ci. Ca shapgyu cu. Ca ringbo ce. Ca naru co. Za gigu zi. Za shapgyu zu. Za ringbo ze. Za naru zo. Wa gigu wi. Wa shapgyu wu. Wa ringbo we. Wa naru wo. Sha gigu shi. Sha shapgyu shu. Sha ringbo she. Sha naru sho. Sa gigu si. Sa shapgyu su. Sa ringbo se. Sa naru so. Ha gigu yi. Ha shapgyu wu. Ha ringbo we. Ha naru wo. Ya gigu yi. Ya shapgyu yu. Ya ringbo ye. Ya naru yo. Ra gigu ri. Ra shapgyu ru. Ra ringbo re. Ra naru ro. La gigu li. La shapgyu lu. La ringbo le. La naru lo. Sha gigu shi. Sha shapgyu shu. Sha ringbo she. Sha naru sho. Sa gigu si. Sa shapgyu su. Sa ringbo se. Sa naru so. Ha gigu hi. Ha shapgyu hu. Ha ringbo he. Ha naru ho. A gigu i. A shapgyu u. A ringbo e. A naru o. Okay, so I read with four vowel with 30 consonant, and this is for someone who learning very slowly, because the previous video I read very fast and someone really needed slow reading. So this is for them. Now we're going to learn the meaning that when the 4 vowel with 30 consonant put together, it already indicate the meaning. So this we're going to learn now. Let's go. So now you can see ka shabju ku, sha shabju shu, kushu, kushu. What is the meaning of kushu? Kushu meaning is apple. Kushu, kushu. The next one is nga shabju ngu. What is the meaning of nga shabju ngu? Mean is, you already know, cry. When you feel sad, we all cry. The next one is nga naru ngo. What is the meaning of nga naru ngo? Meaning is face. Nga naru ngo. Meaning is face. The next one, cha kiguchi. What is the meaning of cha kiguchi? Can you see the expression of Obama face? That means what? What? The next one is cha shabgyu chu. What is the meaning of chu? Meaning is water. Chu, chu. So now cha dengbo che. What is the meaning of cha dengbo che? Meaning is, you can see picture here, big or huge, right? The meaning is huge. Che. So now what is the meaning of cha naru cho and ga? Cho ga. The meaning is, here you can see doing puja or ritual. Cho ga. Cho ga. So here you can see cha naru cho, cha naru cho, jojo. So what is the meaning of jojo? Is older than you for male. It's like older brother called jojo. Jojo. So now nya kigu ni and ma. Nima. Nima meaning is son. Nima. Nima. Now nya naru nyo. Nya naru nyo meaning is, you can see, buy. To buy. Nyo. Nyo. Now ta naru to. So what is the meaning of to? Meaning is list. You make a lot of lists and do shopping. To. To. The next one is na shabgyu nu. Na shabgyu nu ma. Numa. What is the meaning of numa? Meaning is the breast. Numa. Numa. The next one is na dingbo ne. Na dingbo ne za naru zo. Ne zo. What is the meaning of ne zo? You can see beautiful parrot. Ne zo. Ne zo. Parrot. Now pa naru po. What is the meaning of po? Meaning is the male called po. Pa naru po. So now pa shabju pu. What is the meaning of pu? Means boy. Pu. Pu. Now what is the meaning of pu? And put ma naru mo. Pu mo. Pu mo. Pu mo. Meaning is girl. Pu mo. Ma kigu mi. What is the meaning of mi? Mean is human, me. Now ma dingbo me. What is the meaning of me? Meaning is fire. Me. Ma naru mo. What is the meaning of mo? Meaning is female. Mo. Ma naru mo. So no, here is sha ma naru mo. Shamo. Meaning is the hat. Shamo. Now sha kigu she and ma kigu me. She me. Meaning is cat. Meow. Cat. She me. Now sha naru sho. The sho means yogurt. I love yogurt. Delicious. Sho. Now ha naru wo ma. The oma means milk. Oma. Ra kigu ri meaning is beautiful hill over here. Hill. Ri means hill. Now ra naru ro. Ro meaning is corpse, dead body. Ro. Ra naru ro. La naru lo. What is the meaning of lo? Meaning is age. Lo. La naru lo. Ta naru to. Lo to. The meaning is calendar. Lo to. Sha kigu shi. The meaning is death. She. Sha shabju shu. So here nya kigu ni sha shabju shu. Ni shu. The meaning is 20. Ni shu. Sa shabju su. That means who. Sa naru so. Meaning is teeth. So. Now we learn 4 vowels, and when we put 4 vowels with 30 consonant, so it make a sound. And now we also learn the meaning too. So this is really good to remembering our the 4 vowel sounds and as well as meaning too. So this is a great way to learning and remembering the 4 vowels. I hope this will be helpful for the people who are really beginner. So previous video I didn't have chance to explain, so now I got an opportunity to explain this thing here, and hopefully it will benefit the people who are learning slowly. Okay, thank you. See you in next video. Okay, bye. Take care.